name is Avery Shear, and I'm a doctoral student in the marine biology program. Our Geographic Information Systems program is one of only 16 in the nation accredited for surveying and mapping. Today I'm going to map out what's happening in our research institutions and college. First, to the Hart Research Institute. Our experts study life in the ocean and the environmental factors that affect that life. It's why we were featured on the Discovery Channel's Shark Week, and why we were selected by the state as a Restore Center of Excellence to lead studies on the impact of the BP Deepwater Horizon oil spill.
Our purpose is to develop science-driven solutions to Gulf of Mexico problems that affect environmental and economic health of the state of Texas and the health and well-being of the citizens of the state.
Over at the Conrad Blucher Institute. We've got an app for that. Our researchers and students have been busy creating an app that windsurfers and boaters love. It measures coastal winds. And most recently, Dr. Philippe Tissot and his students have created Weather on Wheels, which gives drivers weather conditions along their selected routes.
We have sunshine.
All right.
It also provides optimum travel times and best routes according to the weather.
Sergeant Gonzalez, I want to make sure we have our fall startup plan prepared for operations.
Our mapping goes beyond the weather to preparing for an emergency situation. SituMap, designed by our professors and students, allows first responders to see an emergency situation with a tablet-based digital command center.
The overall concept of SituMap is accessibility. We want anyone from patrol officer up to chief to be able to easily manage assets in the field, to do tactical drawing of what they want them to do, and even do things like bring up floor plans and explore the inside of a building as well as the exterior of the building all at once.
Now let's go over to our innovation and computing research labs. From human interaction with computers to building unmanned aerial systems with sense and avoid technology, to the study of using brainwaves to navigate flight, this is some of the forward-thinking research that happens here. In fact, student research with unmanned autonomous systems like these influence our designation as one of 6 FAA test sites in the country. Let's go to the official test site, the Lone Star UAS Center for Excellence and Innovation. We have conducted 282 range hours in this past year at 100% safety. Tests include topography imaging to utilizing UAS in a search operation after the floods in Wimberley. All the information we collect is being used by the FAA to realize how to integrate unmanned aircraft systems into our national airspace safely. Let's go now to our science labs. Dr. Magesh Thiagarajan and students are studying uses of cold plasma. In fact, they have successfully used it to kill bacteria in food.
We want public to enjoy this technology, to make use of it, and to feel safe while they are exposing themselves to raw oysters or any other food products that may be contaminated with microbes.
Other research in our isotopes labs includes studying fish diets, hydrocarbons, and groundwater contaminants. Overall, our map is leading us to our desired destination. We have the technology and human intelligence that is navigating us towards becoming an emerging research institution.